The new iQOO 15 has officially launched in China, positioning itself as a powerful and remarkably affordable gaming flagship. Starting at 4,199 yuan, approximately $589 and 51,834 in rupees. This device integrates a cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, a Samsung-manufactured 2K display, and a substantial battery targeting gamers and power users. The iQOO 15 features a refined AG micro matte finish with an anti-fingerprint coating. Its middle frame is subtly curved at the edges, ensuring a comfortable grip, while an updated halo light strip provides a distinctive gamer aesthetic. Developed over 2 years in collaboration with Samsung, the 6.85-inch 2K Everest display utilizes M14 luminous material and incorporates the world's first 2K LED OLED technology. It achieves a peak brightness of up to 6000 nits, a full screen brightness of 2600 nits, and a manual brightness of 1000 nits, making it one of the brightest displays available on a smartphone. The display also supports 3200 Hz instant touch sampling, facilitated by a custom chip for exceptionally smooth responsiveness. At its core, the iQOO 15 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, built on a 3nm process, and is paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. A dedicated Q3 gaming chip further enhances performance. The phone's thermal management system is robust, featuring a large vapor chamber filled with 200 million nanographene particles, dual graphite layers, and an 8000 square millimeters VC heat sink to maintain optimal temperatures. It is equipped with a 7000 mAh silicon-carbon battery supporting 100-watt wired and 40-watt wireless charging. Photography capabilities are handled by a triple 50-megapixel camera setup comprising a Sony IMX921 main sensor with OIS, an ultra-wide lens, and a 3x Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto lens featuring an M-shaped prism design. A 32-megapixel selfie camera is included for self-portraits and video calls. For its software experience, users will receive Origino S6 based on Android 16, which will also be rolled out globally next month. The iQOO 15 is offered in 5 distinct configurations. The 12GB RAM with 256GB storage model is priced at 4,199 yen, approximately $589. The 16GB RAM with 256GB storage variant is available for 4,499 yen, approximately $631. The 12GB RAM with 512GB storage option costs 4,699 yen, approximately $659. The 16GB RAM with 512GB storage configuration is set at 4,999 yen, approximately $701. The premium 16GB RAM with 1TB storage version is priced at 5,499 yen, approximately $771.